pumpkins so far. This is what the garden is looking like after 2 days of rain. I haven't had to water for a couple days now. Went ahead and planted my garlic. Got mushrooms growing in there. Look at that. Went ahead and clean this bed out. Still got my strawberry plant going strong. One of them there. More seeds coming in. My orange tree is still doing good. Got a broccoli crown coming in there. Look at the stalk on this broccoli. Look at the stalk on it. It's huge. The stalk on the broccoli is bigger than the stalk on the orange tree. Lime tree. Orange tree. Asparagus is looking good. Planted 4 of my blueberry plants in the ground. Basil's looking good over there. Still got bell peppers coming in. Look how green the grass has gotten over here. You can remember a few months ago, it was brown. More seeds coming up. Carrots looking good. Potatoes. Another bell pepper. Got onions still in here. Still got watermelons coming in. Pomegranate is looking good. Looked like shit when I bought it. My 3rd lemon tree. Looking good. We potted into a bigger pot. Water. Still got sweet potato in here. Spinach coming up, carrots, broccoli, some more seeds I threw over here. Probably watermelon and whatever else. But yep. I will take that nice light rain. It has been working wonders on my garden. Let's talk about the trees I have on the land here. Chinese pistache, ground. Got a Mondale pine tree. Should grow like 40 feet tall, 40 to 50 feet in the ground. Pomegranate in the ground. Lemon tree in a container. An orange tree in a container. Key lime in a container. Another lemon tree in a container. Another Mondale pine tree in the ground. Plum tree in the ground, doing good. It's put on a lot of new growth this year.